broke down camp, loaded up the bikes, getting ready to go. This is our second or third time staying here at Fort De Soto. First time on a holiday weekend. It's Memorial Weekend. I don't think we'll be doing that again. The crowds were crazy, a little too much for our liking. Other than that, the beach was great. We found a spot that was a little bit more secluded. Still some people, but not as bad as the main beach areas. And the fishing was great. Can't complain about that. There it is. It's a nicer one. I think it's gonna be a keeper, guys. Look at that. That's a nice one, guys. It's 21 inches. Look at this, guys. Woo! So until the next time, see ya.